Hello friends, very good evening. Welcome back to my YouTube channel, Talent Traders. Hope you are doing good. So in this video, we are going to update the weekly Google Sheet, which we are going to look for weekly opportunities and monthly positional. It is giving you such a good result over the period of the April month. We have almost 21 days crossed, and we have only 4 days is left for this monthly expiry. So don't take any new position. Only if you are holding a position, you should try to exit because physical delivery impose high margins and also low liquidity. So we already completed our positional strategies on the 19th itself. So if anyone who are holding for a positional one, so 25th is the expiry. So from next 4 days, we have to face a high margin and low liquidity. So better to exit if you are holding any. And weekly positional, last week we have a lot of opportunities which we find out based on our weekly positional strategy. And next week, so only if, you can utilize for an intraday basis. Only few of the brokers are allowing to take a trade in intraday basis only. Okay, so it is not to take a um, ATM and ITM, which is requiring a higher margin. So maybe a nearby OTM should have a less margin. You can follow that one. So nearby OTM options only having a lesser margin compared to ATM and ITM options. Okay, so ATM and ITM options having a physical delivery margin. Okay, so last week, so we have a lot of opportunities, almost many stocks which triggers our positional entry like Tata Communications and GoForge, even TVS Motor. So and Pidilite, Axis Bank given us such a good result, and ICICI Bank too. And based on the concept, it is based on our advanced option strategy. We are taken out, and here the sheet is going to update it for next week as well as intraday sheet also going to update. So mainly weekly. So if you are going to look for a next week opportunity, so simply we are ignoring. But if you want to try, so nearby ATM options, if you play with something like a Dawn and Upstocks, we are providing you normal margin. Some other brokers are charging higher margin even though OTM options. So that you need to verify with your broker. So it depends on the broker, it changes. And next week data we are going to upload here in this Google sheet because it is about to find out a trade opportunity based on the concept. But whether we are going to take or not, that we have decided. So that very important. Let me change in this video. So we are going to update in the intraday and daily sheets. Sorry, weekly and daily sheet. And monthly sheet is going to update it on the first of every month only, that you know very well. So intraday, we use a Camarilla R4 that you know very well. So a lot of stocks. Yesterday also something like Bajaj Finance 6900 call option. So a lot of stocks where it is generated such a good opportunity on intraday basis also. So and we find so the opportunity based on our Google Sheet scanner. It just works based on our advanced option strategy and Camarilla R4 breakout. So let me try to find out update the sheet in a live market. So this data, so last week performance where you can see how many stocks which is given the opportunity based on our concept. So let me take many stocks where it is generated. It's a good opportunity. This is a positional data communication 1940 dot.com 1940 put option in this case. Maybe here it doesn't give you the opportunity. I think we made some shorts video. Real time update. So you have to update the sheet and loop in 1640. What's happening? Maybe this one. So due to some gap up and we find some opportunities are missed, but we have to focus 3 to 4 stocks in a month. And also weekly 3 to 4 stocks in a week. So that is what our main idea where we are using our sheet to find out such a good opportunities based on the concept which you are used on our advanced option strategy. And also we used our positional one monthly, so that this month is giving you such a good result for the period of time. So that I'm going to update the sheet, and intraday also going to update. And intraday where it is sheet is updated, so you will be finding some stocks which showing you earlier somewhere around 100%. So that we are going to ignore. Why? Because of that stocks already triggered and maybe not a liquid one. Okay, so what was the date we are looking for? Oh, it's 19. I'm just updating the sheet for next week and next tomorrow's trade. So like R4 breakout as well as weekly. But we are not going to take an opportunity. A physical delivery is there and we have to wait for a new opportunity on the next week onwards in the first of the month. So we will be using our positional strategy that is going to find out a 3 to 4 positional opportunity based on the concept. Okay, so I'm just updating. So if I'm updated and the data would be removed and you will be finding a newer opportunities, maybe the new strike prices where I'm going to find out for tomorrow's trade, and weekly positional and intraday is going to be updated and that one. So you can see there is no stocks were nearing to that 100%. 100% is our breakout point where we are going to look for that option is going to give you a breakout. So here no stocks, maybe tomorrow opening, so we will be finding some of the stocks which nearing, but if any stock which triggers before 9:30, so we should ignore that because we are not going to take if the stock which triggers in the 9:30. And intraday also we got it, and some of the stocks like Zeal, Metropolis, Bandhan Bank, so these are all the illiquid by default. Okay, for example, sale 146, let me check sale 146 and maybe not liquid. Yeah, you can see last yesterday's trade, you can see previous trades also here and here. It is not a liquid, so it is showing you 100%. It's all Bandhan Bank 172.5, Bandhan Bank 172.5 call option. That is also maybe not liquid, so you can see there is a no liquidity on this particular option. So that's why it's showing you 100%. No worry. So we are updated the sheet and 9:30 in intraday sheet itself. 9:30 it will be automatically remove the stock which triggered earlier to the breakout, and even you have to focus that stock which triggers are not prior to that the breakout which has happened. So that only you need to check before taking an opportunity, and that would be a good one where you are going to look for an intraday trades based on the Camarilla R4. Lot of opportunity with the Camarilla R4 if the stock is quite liquid. So that would be a best opportunity where we can LTTS 5250, LTTS 5250. What is happening here? So maybe here is the Cambrilla level and due to gap down. And tomorrow if it is a liquid and it is giving you the fresh breakout after 9:30 where we can look for. Okay, the sheet also we modified and currently it is working well and good. So 9:30 after, if you are looking for intraday sheet, you can easily find out one or two trade opportunity for your intraday. And monthly position still remain same, and we have already done for the month of April, and we will be working on our uh, May month contract. Okay, so intraday sheet and weekly sheet is updated, and monthly still remains same, and it is going to update on the first of every month. I hope you understood the concepts, and thank you for watching, and thank you for subscribing my channel, and thank you for the subscribing. And if you have any questions and doubts, you just ping me on my comment box. Thank you so much.